there and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see page length option in data table. So let's get started with today's video. The table we have created. So I've shown you search, I've shown you sorting, and I have shown you individual search as well. So and pagination. So now in this video we will see this length menu and how we can change that. So as of now default is 10. So it will be showing 10 entries per page. Let me show you code. So here contact list component, you can see I'm having table with id contact table, and if I'll go footer, you can see that is having search, individual search, then import jQuery data table and initialize data table, and init complete is for individual search, server side is true, order we have set, and columns we have defined. Let's see backend code. So api.php, you can see contact controller, index function. So in index function you can see total records are fetched, search is applied, pagination is applied, filter records are sent. So all those things are applied. So now if you don't have all this, you just want to change length menu, still you can do it. It's just option in your initialization of data table that we need to pass. So now let's go and do that. Right, length menu, and after that it will be array. Let's pass 10, 25, then 50 and 100. Now let's add one more, let's say 75, and if I'll go drop down, you can see it's showing 75, and if I'll choose 75, then you can see only one pagination is there as we have only 55 records. Now let me show you inspect and show you in network tab. So network tab, so now let me just change to 25, let's say. Now you can see API hit is there, and if I'll show you payload, so in the end you can see start and length. So start is 0 and length is 25. So now that number of rows will be fetched per page. So that's according to that pagination will be created. So now let's change 25 to 20, and now let's check once. Let's select 20, and if I'll go down, then you can see showing 1 to 20. So 20 records are fetched per page. So now if you want to give any string to this, then let's say all I'm going for. So write all, refresh. Now you can see all is there. Now let's remove 50, 75 because we don't have that much of records. So let's keep 10, 20 and all. So if I'll go with 20, so you can see 20 records are displayed. And if I'll go for all, so now you can see table is blank as of now, because if I'll see here start and length, it's going none as all it's string not taking. So we need to define label to it, label and value. That will be object. So label will be key. So label means all will be displayed, but its value, that will be second key, and value will be -1. We'll be applying some condition on this -1 in backend. First let's check and how it's behaving. If we will select all, so here you can see one warning is there, and if you'll see payload, so here you can see 0 and -1. So now -1 limit, -1 doesn't know that what to exactly send as response, like which data to fetch basically. So we need to apply one condition in backend. Let's go and do that. We are selecting all, so that means we don't want any limit and offset, we want all data. So let's get request length in a like variable, let's say page length, and write one if condition. If page length is greater than 0, then apply any offset and limit, otherwise don't apply pagination. Now let's select all, and now you can see blank table is not coming, and if I'll show you start and length, you can see -1 is coming, and all data is coming as of now 55. So now it's working, and if I'll go again back to 10 entries are displayed, and pagination is also working fine with that. You can give label to any other value as well. So now let's say 20 we will be giving. So 20, let's create object. So write label, let's say word 20, and value will be 20. Let's refresh and check. So if I'll select 20, so now in Response, you can see I'm getting all records, and if I'll see starting and ending, so it's 20, and here you can see 1 to 20 it's displayed. So records filter are coming as 55 as we have not applied any search or like any filtration basically, so that's why it's also to 55. So now last thing that is pending, you can see 10 is selected by default and it's showing 10 result. So we can also control that. So that is option page length. So let's say if I'll by default write page length should be 20. So if I'll refresh, without refreshing, you can see 20 is selected by default, and if I'll show you, it's showing 20 records now. So you can also change this default option using page length. So that's all in this video. In this video, I've shown you how you can control page length option in data table. So I hope you like this video. So if you have any doubt, you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.